In the world captivated by the promise of tomorrow, where the pursuit of health intertwines with the essence of nature, a revolutionary shift is underway. Where health is our most precious asset, a new paradigm is emerging, one that embraces the wisdom of nature as the cornerstone of healing. Natural treatments, including herbal remedies, holistic practices, and mindful living, are gaining momentum. The emphasis is shifting towards nature, addressing the root causes rather than merely treating symptoms. From ancient civilizations to modern science, the healing properties of plants have been harnessed for centuries. Advances in research now allow us to unlock the intricate mechanisms behind these natural wonders, paving the way for plant-based medicines. But the very burning question is, who caused the natural treatment to be that famous in USA? I believe you might have an answer to this question.
The herbs heal. God made them. Remember the body is made up of what? Minerals.
Yes, it is Dr. Sebi. He was a person who learned to use the inherent goodness of nature to keep people healthy and disease-free. He was a hero among the general population because he had a cure for AIDS, cancer, lupus, herpes, and many other deadly diseases. He proposed an alkaline diet and endorsed the practice of fasting to cure diseases. He believed that there is no disease on this earth that can't be cured. According to Dr. Sebi, maintaining alkaline pH in the body can prevent health issues and promote overall wellness. Alkaline diet suggests limiting or avoiding acid-forming foods like meat, dairy, and highly processed items. It's about choosing a plant-centric approach to nutrition. Dr. Sebi asks people not to eat mucus-forming foods. According to his wisdom, certain foods were deemed contributors to this mucus production, believed to be the source of a spectrum of ailments. Dr. Sebi has passed away, yet the legacy of Dr. Sebi is giving millions a reason to stay healthy and disease-free. His eternal work for humanity will always be remembered, and his legacy will continue to flourish. We can give Dr. Sebi true tribute by following his legacy and incorporating his knowledge into our lives.